Well, I took a nice little trip with the Fimi X8 Mini this weekend. Where'd we go? A little place called Tobermory, top of the Bruce Peninsula. And as you can see, it's a little tiny spot right there. And I took the Mini and I took the Mavic Mini. Unfortunately, the Mavic Mini didn't work out too good. The winds were just way too strong. I tried it with the Mavic Mini. I got out maybe 50 meters, 60 meters. I'm only up about the Mini, I was only up 40 or 50 meters, and the Fimi here I'm up at 64 meters, and the Mavic Mini just couldn't handle the wind, not a chance. So I brought it down and continued with the Fimi X8 Mini. As you can see out there, the horizon, the closest landfall a little bit to the left is about 80 miles, and the farthest landfall straight ahead is about 160, 170 miles. Something like that, of open water. And this is about 6:30 in the morning. So let's continue and see what happens. You can see that at 6:30 in the morning it's kind of not the greatest for sunlight. The sun is right behind me. If I turn around, it would be all flares. But this point over here where you see the white caps, it's pretty windy. It's pretty windy. And this is a point of land that is open to the wind all the time. And the homes here are generally cottages. And we had the opportunity to stay with our daughter and her husband on a cottage on the other side of the bay here to the right. So this is out about 700 meters from the takeoff spot. And I was surprised. I was quite surprised with the video from the Fimi. It was not too bad, not too bad. We had a chance to look around, and we had a chance to explore the point, to see some of the inlets, and then we decided to come home and wait for the weather to subside a little bit, and then go up in the middle of the afternoon when the sun was a little bit brighter. And when the sun's up a little bit brighter, you notice everything changes dramatically. The water appears to be bright, bright blue, and the trees are green, and it's just a vast, vast amount of water. The outlet, the outcropping point there to the left was where we were this morning, and water is everywhere. It's just beautiful up here. Fresh air, you just can't beat it. So we flew around for 5 or 10 minutes and had a great time. The Fimi performed flawlessly. No glitches, no drop of FPV. It was amazing. And that's about it. Hope you enjoyed it. And when I take it up again, I'll let you know.